Sammy?
Look, Super Mario!
Yay!
We have this man.
Yeah. Okay, Sammy. What you got there? We came to McDonald's
Yeah.
to see what kind of toys we have, and there is Mario. Let's open it. Cannot see anything.
This
What do you have? What is this?
one. Green one.
Green one. I think it's Yoshi. Yoshi, yeah?
Let's see a tire.
Yeah. Okay, that's the flyer.
Super Mario this man.
You would like to have Super Mario, yeah?
Oh,
Yeah. Sammy, you like McDonald's?
yeah.
Yeah, actually I do like it as well, but we don't go very often here, huh?
Yeah.
Just sometimes. It's good from time to time, yeah?
Yeah.
Not like every day because it's not too healthy, yeah?
Yeah.
But from time to time it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you have, Sammy, actually? Hamburger?
Yeah.
You like it? You don't like cheeseburgers? Just hamburgers, yeah? Cool. What Yoshi likes? Okay, I have a Big Mac. Sammy, you see me?
Yeah. What?
That's how Sammy likes to play. Come, Sammy. Oh. Yeah, we're going to visit downstairs
Yeah.
to see if they have any eggs for us, huh? Whoa, whoa.
Look, Daddy, kita si pas bakman.
Yeah,
Kita si pas paper.
that's what we found, you see? Polly packet. Batman. Here we have some 6-packs.
Okay.
Bunnies.
Oh, look.
Ooh, Sammy! What we just found!
This.
You see? Hello Kitty and Monsters University. Are we going to buy it?
Yeah, two IT.
I think, Sammy, we need to buy all of them, huh?
That's crazy stuff.
Crazy stuff?
Yeah. Another giant big egg.
Skylander Giant?
Yeah, look.
Is there anything inside? No, just the chocolate. Yeah?
That's very cool.
That's very cool.
Yeah. Monsters and City marshmallows and Hello Kitty marshmallows. Here you go.
Okay. Okay, Sammy, so what did you buy?
Man Batman.
Batman,
Polly Pocket.
Polly Packet,
Giant egg.
Kinder Maxi, Surprise, the Looney Tunes.
Yeah, big giant egg.
Yeah.
And two big eggs. Monsters and City.
Yeah, we have nice 2 big eggs, Monsters University,
And
and
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty. So seems like we're going to make another video today
Yeah.
with openings of those, huh?
Yeah.
Because we need to open
And
something.
today.
So I think that was good shopping, Sammy.
Yeah, Daddy.
Very good shopping, yeah? So that's all? So bye-bye.
No, and another video.
We'll make another video at home, okay? Okay, so bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See ya. And don't forget to reach up.
Yes.